What's up, wonderful people? This is Eric Gill Jr. with www.ericgilljr.com. And if this is your first time to my channel, I just want to say welcome to Residual Knowledge TV. It's a platform I use to spread personal development and different ways on how to make money online. In today's subject, I will be talking about how to develop an online business. Alright, so go ahead, like, subscribe, share, and let's go ahead and dive into this lesson today. Alright, so here we go. How to develop an online business. Number one, pick your niche. For example, make money online. That's a good one to go into. This channel is about making money online, different ways to make money online. So that will be great for you. Pick your niche. Alright, so we're going to use make money online. Number two, choose a format. Physical products, books, etc. You know, what's your format? Is it going to be digital products? Is it going to be physical products? You know, choose a format that you want to use to develop an online business. All right. Like I said, digital products. Number three, pick a topic for your format. Example, how to make money online guide. So you could either have that as a physical product, physical book, or a digital product. I would suggest a digital product. Only because it's easier to make online and faster deliverability, faster way to get that out to your people rather than a physical product. So I would definitely suggest like a digital ebook. Number four, choose a hosting platform for your product, like WordPress, Shopify, or ClickFunnels. I would suggest WordPress or ClickFunnels. I do have a WordPress website and a ClickFunnels website, and both of them I use them both together to get my products out through those two. And number five, last but not least, market and sell. Market on Instagram, Facebook, Google Ads, YouTube. Use all of these tools to market and sell your product. This is how to develop an online business. This is just a small synopsis, a small overview, and I'm going through these slides pretty quick, but this is just very small overview on how to develop an online business. Now, if you want a little bit more of a thorough overview, if you look at my link below under this video, I do have a link to a 15-day free business plan that can give you more in-depth details on how to develop an online business. Videos, there's step-by-steps on what to do and how to do that, and it is totally free, people. Okay, so if you are looking to make some money online, you're looking on like a step-by-step exactly how to do this, I would highly suggest that you go ahead and click the link below to get started. This is Eric Gill Jr. with Residual Knowledge TV. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you on the inside. Peace out.